Doesn't come up all that often, but sometimes we get a question of, does Georgia allow a holographic will? Hi, I'm Joel Beck with Peach State Wills and Trust from the Beck Law Firm LLC in Lawrenceville, Georgia. The simple answer is no. Georgia does not recognize holographic wills. What is a holographic will? It is a will where the testator, the person making the will, writes it out and signs it without any witnesses. That's it. The person theoretically could type it out, print it, and sign it as well. That's a holographic will. And Georgia does not recognize those. Under current Georgia law, for a will to be valid, you need to have a few things present. First, the testator needs capacity to make a will. Second, the testator needs to be 14 years of age or older. The will needs to be written. It needs to be on paper. It can be handwritten, it can be typed, whatever, but it needs to be written down. Then it needs to be signed by the testator, and it needs to be signed by 2 witnesses who witness the testator sign. We also recommend that those witnesses be disinterested, meaning that they're not named to be an executor, a trustee, a guardian, or they're not a beneficiary under the will. Because if they are named in the will and they're one of only 2 witnesses, they may lose their ability to serve or to inherit under the will. So we want to have disinterested witnesses. We also recommend that the testator and the witnesses sign a self-proving affidavit that gets attached to the will as well. Now, if you want more information about estate planning in Georgia, we invite you to visit us online at peachstatewills.com. Click on free info at the top of the page, and there you can request our free guide to estate planning in Georgia. No strings attached. That free guide is going to share information with you about the 3 primary planning documents that most adults in Georgia need, and it's going to answer a lot of the frequently asked questions we receive as well. peachstatewills.com. Click free info at the top. Get your free guide today. Thanks.